Students, how are you? In this video, we will talk about multiplying decimals. Multiplying decimals. Now, multiplying decimals is very similar to multiplying whole numbers. We will use the same process except for the end, when you have your answer, you need to make sure you place the decimal in the correct place. Let's see together how to multiply decimals. Step number 1. When you multiply decimals, ignore the decimal point and multiply as you multiply whole numbers. Step 2. Count the number of places to the right of the decimal point of both numbers. Step 3. Put the decimal point that many places from the right in the answer. Let's solve some problems. Multiply and add the decimal points. Multiply 1 and 23 hundredths by 5 tenths. Okay, forget about the decimal points. Start to multiply with number 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. So write 5 and 1 by hand. 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. So write 1 and 1 by hand. 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we have 615. Now, let's see where to write the decimal point. Count the numbers behind the decimal point, or to the numbers to the right of the decimal point. So we have the decimal point here. We have 2 numbers. So we have 2 decimal places. In this number, we have only 1 decimal place. So 1 and 2 equal 3 decimal places. So put the decimal point after 3 decimal places, or after 3 places. So start from right to the left. 1, 2, 3, then put the decimal point. Another example, we have 2 and 3 tenths times 1 and 6 tenths. Forget about the decimal point. Start with 6. 6 times 3 equals 18, so write 8 and 1 by hand. 6 times 2 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. Then put 0. Done with 6. Start with 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 2 equals 2. So we have to add these numbers. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Don't forget the decimal point. So, start to count the decimal places. How many numbers behind the decimal point in this number? We have only 1 decimal place. In this number, we have also 1 decimal place. So 1 and 1, 2 decimal places. So, we have to put the decimal point after 2 decimal places. Let's start to count. We have 1, 2, then put the decimal place, the decimal point. Let's solve another problem. When you see we have 12 and 7 tenths times 12 hundredths. When you see numbers written like this, convert vertically. So we have 12 and 7 tenths times 12 hundredths. Start with number 2. 2 times 7 equals 14, so write 4 and 1 by hand. 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 1 equals 2. Plus, put 0, then start with number 1. 1 times 7 equals 7, 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 1 equals 1. Then add these numbers. 1 plus 0 equals 4 plus 0 equals 4. 5 plus 7 equals 12, 2 and 1 by hand. 2 plus 2 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. 0 plus 1 equal 1. Don't forget the decimal point. Let's find the decimal places. We have only one number behind the decimal point, and we have here two numbers. So we have 3 decimal places. Then add 1, 2, 3, then put the decimal point. So we have 1 and 523 thousandths. Thank you for watching.